All right. So we'll be going through loops in Python again. So if I write this program quickly, okay. So loops in programs are essentially so we can repeat code over and over and over without having to write down the same thing several times. And it's there to save a lot of time for developers so that they can redo tasks um in split seconds without having to redo it a lot. So as we have here in the shell, it says world right here. So each character is just a normal string. Character is a normal variable that is given a new value before the code after the colon runs. So the code above is equivalent to character is equal to W, print character. So this if loops didn't exist, you would have to do all of this, which would get really repetitive. So when we have these for loops, loops that can repeat different tasks several times, we'll be able to do all of that in one line. In comparison, you would have to do this one in like 10 lines. So go to the next one. So we've got an example loop here. So this works, but it would usually and should be written like this. So for character in name colon. Don't forget the colon. It is very important so that it automatically indents your code and it'll also do the it'll result in an error if it's vacant, and it will also proceed with the actions inside the loop. And specifically the code to be repeated known as the body, yeah, after the colon. So it's indented. So we should run this one ourselves. Oop, wait, there we go. Oop, need to get the wrong indent. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So because we don't have the space in front of the print character, that's why it has resulted in an error. So, spaces are required to tell you which lines below, in of code belong to the body for the loop. This is critical when the loop contains several lines, which it often will. And we have another example code here. So here it should have space between each of the lines. Yeah. So now this will get indented after it is a part of the same body because of the indentation. So yeah. And now we have another example without the indentation. So because it is now a part of like the main code, it is isolated. It will not cause an error because if I were to put it like that before, there is nothing inside this for loop, so it will cause an error. But because this one is a part of the main body of the whole code, it will just repeat after this loop is finished. Or it won't repeat, it will just print once. And then we have it going having a little space in front of it, which it shouldn't have. and we are getting an indentation error. As we said before, it does not match any indentation level. There is no body that it connects to. It doesn't connect to the one of the main code, nor the one of the for loop, so it causes the error. So we've got some basic loop exercises. So we can output that. If we to do that, we basically just need to um we need to do this plus character. And there we go. So it's basically combining the strings like we did earlier. We just have the dashes plus the character. And um you can set the name to anything in the first line. So yeah. So if I put like David, my name.
So
Yeah.
uh,
Does anyone
uh
have a question?
yeah, I have a question. I'm
Mm-hmm.
still on like introduction with loops, and like I'm running the code but it's still not working. It's like not half the next button. I'm running it, but
Okay, quickly after this, when I finish this, we can have people sharing their screens so we can
okay.
help you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
yeah.
Can you explain that part he was talking about?
Which part, sorry?
The the basic for loopsing.
Of here?
Yes, the world part.
Oh, okay, well, we had world here. World is in the, is assigned to the variable name, and it says for character in name. And, you understand, right, how, it'll go through every single character in name, every single letter in name, then it
Okay.
will then it will print each of them out. But the difference is from before is that we just have the string that contains these three dashes. This is why in each dash we have three dashes before the word world or the letter, and it will just repeat until it gets to the end of the word. If that answers your question.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now, we need to write a program which prints name once for each character in name. For example, name equals Amy should output Amy, Amy, Amy. So to do this, we need to make sure that we have only world here. Okay. So is going like that at the start. So it's printing every single character. So in order to print every single character again and again and again, um we'll need to use for I in range, or so that it repeats or prints out name several times rather. So wait. So we have I. I is the variable. So when we use I, it will increase by one every single time this loop goes through, basically. So that means we need to have a range. And a range will basically be a select group of numbers so that it will repeat several times over. And um, if we do if we do like five, oh, oh, four, oh, wait a second.
Yeah, the name. Okay, yeah.
Wait, okay, so it's done it two times here. So wait, oh, I see. Um, so it's done it two times here, but we need it to do it several times instead. We need it to do it five times. So does anyone have any ideas how we can do that?
Okay, Dominic, you had your hand up. You want
Yeah.
to give it a try?
Oh, I was gonna answer the question.
Yeah, yeah, give it a try. Okay, try.
So, um, I I did four underscore four space underscore space in, and then that's what I did, and it gave me the correct answer.
Oh, sorry.
I can share my screen and show it, but
Yeah, yeah. Let's see quickly.
Okay.
Yeah,
how do I do this? How do you share your screen? Out there.
yeah, yeah.
There we are. Share. So I just did this and it gave me the correct answer. I did name equals Dominic, and then for my second string I did four space underscore in underscore space underscore in name, and then I just that's what it told me to do as my hint. So
Okay, yeah.
wait, how do I stop
Yeah.
sharing? Wait, how do I stop sharing? Wait, stop sharing. Um,
Okay, yeah. So the difference in the one he just showed and here is that I is the variable here and name is also there. So it will print out name five times there. So yeah. So every single time it prints out name, um I will repeat the loop will repeat again and it will repeat it again. So yeah.
Okay, yeah, thanks, David. And also, yeah, thanks, Dominic, for that. That was really, really good as well. So, but yeah, so next time when you're using your variables, right, you need to put something meaningful, right? Underscore, yeah, you can put underscore something, underscore name, underscore I, yeah, yeah. If you can add something after the underscore quickly and check that it works anyway. So it'll be good to, yeah, because underscore does not really make any meaning, right? So when you're writing your variable, you need to write something that, yeah, make a meaning to people, okay? All right, cool, thank you. Okay, David.
All right.
David Doe, quickly.
What website is this?
Okay. After David has finished, David will put it in the chat anyway. His future.
Okay, we're going to be building up the strings, and here, we'll have another basically poll in the chat. 1, 2, 3, or 4. What do you think this code is gonna end up with? So 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Let's put that in the chat if it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, okay? So it seems, yeah, got 2 there, okay. There's 3 as well.
Okay, so I'm sure. Okay, so it seems like there's been most people saying 2, which is the right answer. And so Python doesn't care that hello is on both the left and right of the equal sign. It just does what it would always do if variables were different. It calculates hello plus exclamation mark, which at the time is hello plus exclamation mark, which is hello. So that's the new value of hello, which is a reassignment. So every single time the variable is reassigned, it will not be the same as before. The Because this variable is inside the old variable, it will be the value of the old variable plus the new string in here. And then we can also write this loop. Okay. Oh, so this is a long one. So if we can see what this loop is doing, we have name equals world, line equals the dash, and for char in name, line is equal to line plus char and print line. So basically this is another loop that will keep looping several times. And we have line being reassigned like it was the reassignment before. So now it should be dash plus char. Char basically being um the variable value um for each loop, and line is going to be basically equal this there. So for char in name is going to be going through each different letter. It's going to be going through each different letter. So I assume it would be dash, then each letter inside world, And that is what is being printed here because it is essentially here is equal to here. So it should be I assume this one. Oh, so it's not or maybe this one perhaps. Oh, it was equal to that one. Okay. So if we see so every time it will loop, it will add another character inside world until it has reached the end of world. So we would have the dash plus W and the dash plus WO, and then we'd have the dash plus WOR, and it will keep repeating and repeating and repeating onwards as well. So here we can see um the details are important. What happens if you swap the last two lines and run this program instead? So swapping. Okay, so we've got another one. Can we have a vote in chat which will be this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you could write in the chat whether you think is 1, 2, 3, or 4. So because line comes first, I personally think it's going to be 3 because it will keep going 5 times because of there's 5 characters in world, and because line comes first, it will go first, then it will go through each character. So if we try do this one, then it's correct. So saying we should do this in shell. Okay, so we are basically fusing the strings together again. Um, so we have strings, empty strings in each of them, and we're just adding them together. Um, I assume that they might not, I don't think they will count as spaces, so I think it's just going to be the first one. So it's correct. Now, it says fix the original program
That
to get
is
rid of those
that
lines.
is really, really brilliant because yeah, that is exceptional. So yeah, thank you for that. Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Yeah,
fix
it's
the
because
original program.
there's nothing inside. There's no space inside, isn't it? That's the reason. If you had put space, then it would have been one of those anyway. So yeah. Okay.
Mhm. So fix the original program to get rid of those lines in the output so that for name equals 1, it prints that basically. So to do that, I think we can just try this. So we have oh, we have char here. So we can just assign, oh, we can just do print char instead. Oh, so we have char, um, and okay, wait. Oop, so for this one, it would print each of the characters out plus char, and we just want to get rid of um the line. So you can try this. Oh, Uh,
No, because at the first one, you don't want to add the char, right? You want to, yeah, and you don't need this space, right?
mm-hmm.
So it would be, you need to remove the line on number 2, right? And then, so because you were,
But then it wouldn't.
uh, yeah, put it, yeah, after the print, actually. Let's see, we run that.
Sorry?
Can you run that? Let's see.
Oh, but it just does this one.
The same. Okay, it's not adding. Oh, yeah, you need to say line is equal to line plus, isn't it? Or you use yeah. You see the one that is at the top, you see your on the text line 5 on the text on
Yeah.
your left hand side. Line is equal to line plus char, right?
Yeah.
It needs something like that in the, yeah. Can you see not on your text? You see on your text on the left hand side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, that up, go up, go up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up. Yeah, that piece. No, the code on that line. A bit. No, down. That one, you need that one, isn't it?
Okay.
So because that is the one that would repeat the line, isn't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
So you need
the
to
line
for
is not
you need,
defined.
yeah,
So
yeah, instantiate it at the top. Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
it'd be this one. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So because line does not have anything in it, if we do line plus char, it will repeat every single one without any line because there's nothing in it, and it will repeat each of them with a new character after it loops. So yeah. So so now we're building up string exercises to add a space after every character in the triangle. So the output looks like that. So we can try this, which seems to have done it. I think there might be a space in between them though. But shouldn't this be correct?
Yeah, it seems to be correct, actually. Let's see. Said to add the space after every character in the triangle. You need to do something like that. So yeah, to add a space to every. So you need to add the space, right? So you need, yeah,
If I look at the hints,
yeah.
it
I
says
think it seems fine. Yeah. Let's see what that is.
yeah, it seems like I've done it. Oh, they
Oh,
put it
at
at
the
the
end.
end. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, because you wouldn't actually see that there's a space at the end. That's yeah. Okay.
So we need to modify the program so it works backwards like that.
Okay.
Do count. So we could try like char um because like char is equal to the 5 characters inside world. So so does anybody have any idea how we can approach this one?
Okay. All right. 1 minute. So I know some people are raising that. Maybe it's for the
Mhm.
next class. Okay. Quickly, Kiton,
I think,
your answer. Okay, Dominic, go ahead. Come on.
yeah, I think I have it. I've been trying to do. I'll just share my screen and show it because I don't really know to explain it much. Where is it? There it is. Well, yeah, I just did that. I think, yeah.
No,
Oh,
he
we're
has
on the
to go to
next
the other
one.
way around, right?
Yeah,
He has to be WOW, right? Okay, it's the next one, right? This is the first one, is the next one now. Yeah, this one is fun. Okay, Fermi, you go and answer.
So I'm still on. I don't understand it. I'm still on introduction for loops. Should I
Okay,
share?
all right. So don't worry, this video is recorded. You can watch it anyway. So
Yeah,
and yeah,
but
so
even when I was listening, I don't understand it.
no. When you then have the video, right, you can stop, you can watch it, you can see the explanation. It's okay. It would
Um,
be better that way. So you just stop it and you see what we're doing,
yeah,
right?
but
So then, yeah.
I don't get
So
it though.
just give us 2 minutes. Let David finish this one. We can come to you quickly, right? Okay, because we need to move to the next class anyway. So in the minute, so I know people are already joining for the Claude one. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Wait, do you want to? Let's quickly wrap this one up. Okay. Do you want to share your screen, Fermi, quickly? Oh, okay, David.
Okay. Um, so I suppose we can try like reversing the order in some way, shape, or form. We were to do it like this, maybe. Oh, okay. Wait, has it done it? Oh yeah,
Yeah, I think,
because it's done.
yeah.
It's done that, then it's gone to the next row. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, okay. So that is the solution, actually. Yeah. Thank you. So I think we'll pause here, right? Because we need to move to the next class. So, and thank you so much, David. So let's quickly out Fermi. Fermi, you can share your screen. So let's see which one you're having issues.